Um, Andy Elliott, I like him. He's a pep talker, a car salesman. He teaches selling. Okay. And he had a short video that said, you have to be obsessed to be a great salesperson. Like, almost crazy. You're always concerned that you're not making the grade. You're never satisfied, he says. Whatever you've got, it's never enough. He says, I have a six pack. This is one of his fetishes, okay? Everybody has to have a six pack if they're going to be successful. He says, I have a six pack, but when I look in the mirror, I see a 300-pound lady. That might sound sexist. Sorry, but that's what he said. And he said, you have to have that kind of uh, craziness if you're going to be a really successful salesperson. Now, it does sound crazy, but I've talked to a number of very successful people who make tons of money, way more than the average person. And those guys say that they're motivated by fear. And they often count when they go to bed, they count their money. They tabulate how much they've got in their mind. What do they need to spend on a monthly basis? How much they need to earn. And so I don't, I don't live like that. And to tell you the truth, I wouldn't want to. So I've got other worries. No, not saying, actually, that might be, we're all going to worry, lots of us, about crazy things. It's better to be rich and worry about money than worry about something else. Okay. So maybe it's not as dumb as it seems.